right, good morning, everyone. Let's fire it up here. 5 minutes in. Okay, gonna get set up. I'm gonna take down my existing TMUX session because I have work open still on that session. I'm gonna do a TMUX kill dash server. Okay. Close that. Wait, a Minecraft server open in one session. My son he's a therapist that he sees that they play Minecraft together. On Thursday afternoons, I spin up a DigitalOcean instance and they play Minecraft on it. Okay, getting rid of anything that could be work. And then, oh, check it out. I haven't been live since camera came in. Actually, I've had the camera for a long time, but but I'd lost the charger. Recently found the charger, so pulled it out, and we got a capture card for it for like $12 off Amazon. All right, tighten that in, and get that down in the corner. Let's do swap over. Wait, TMUX list sesh. Okay, no server running. We'll do TA. And then let's do I gotta show something real quick. Let's do, we're gonna do, no, repos. Let's look at our space flights. The freaking coolest plugin installed last night. Still in super early development. Let's go to new range. I'm sitting on a catalog entry for a Kedro pipeline. I can hit go to definition, and I am at the definition of the catalog entry. That is so cool. So Lim, one of the core members of Kedro, has Kedro LSP. I don't know if he's ready for it to be announced, but we can chat about it here for a little bit. Pip install Kedro LSP. And then I just went in my LSP config, and since there isn't an existing config from LSP config, I had to add this stuff. But if we get this once he's done, if we get this patched in to LSP config, it's just Kedro.setup, and you're in. You get a nice go to definition. Go to reference does not work, but this guy started this like a couple days ago, 3 days ago, 6 days ago. So great things will happen here. He does have, it's going to be in the Visual Studio Marketplace, and it says PyCharm TBD to-dos. Provide diagnostic when there's a typo in dataset parameter name by pipeline. Be Kedro environment aware. Yeah, it is like the coolest thing. All right. I know that title says Kedro-diff, but today I think we're going to work on a starter. Twitch is yelling at me that I don't have something enabled. Okay. Oh, hey there, Kappa. Or no, this isn't. This is just an example. Such a noob here. Font size fine. Timestamps. I don't know what you're yelling at me about. Okay. All right, so let's do, we're going to go to Kedro start hers. It's search all of GitHub. I want to see what they have like packaged. These are supposed to be like Gatsby starters where you can do a Kedro new and get a brand new project. Something I wanted to do, I think it was last Friday, we were working on a PyPI list. Can we turn this into a Kedro starter? Or at least the essence of it. Is it even pip installable? I think we just have a script. So we have nothing. Let's, what is site? Oh, that is, that's our final output. So let's see if we can package this today. Start packaging. Let's do, I'm going to grab a template. Hey, Sayla. You can play dollies. Yeah, you can go play dollies. Have fun. Thank you. All right. Let's okay, so this is truly the minimal. We want to go down and we want to use packages. We're also gonna have a requirement set text. I think we might already have one. We do. So let's see if we can telescope this thing. Setup.py, Control E. There's a control sequence where I can create the file if it doesn't exist. I don't remember what it is. Edit setup.py. So what are things that we would want on our starter? Our super minimal starter. We want to read from requirements.txt for sure. Let's do, I usually just grab Kedro's because I know that it parses out a bunch of crap that, you know what I should be doing? I should learn how to use one of the modern packaging tools. For today, though, we're going to get something done. I think this is what I want. So they're just doing x.strip. And then this one they're doing, okay. I think we can just like, can we do this? Can we do from path lib or capital P path? And then requires equals path dot read text. So this has got to be a list. But it's going to be requirements.txt. And then we got to do they're doing with open, and then where's their F? I don't even see their F here. Looking at like this line, they have a list all of a sudden. Okay, for X in F. So they must be doing like read lines or something. We have a text object, so I think we just do dot split. Okay, we have Kedro requests. What else can we do here? Go back to setup.py. Oh, we need a requires. Let's refactor to make dir pi list pi cp pi list.py into, oh, can't make it there, make that directory, copy pi list.py to pi list, and then we want to touch pi list slash dunder init .py. Okay. We'll do a version. Oh, got a finger off. 0, 1, 0. And what can we do? How do we run this now? Let's go to our, we have some YAML. And it's not picked up telescope. I need a hidden file picker. Um, GitHub workflows, deploy PyPI list. And what do? We just run it as a script. So we probably need setup.py an entry point. PyPI. Okay, so we have an entry point here. How do we swap? There we go. Swap, and then we're gonna create PyPI list slash dunder main. We're gonna move this into a package dunder main. Let's look at like how these are these starters cookie cutter templates, or are they? So they are cookie cutter templates. So that'll be fun. I don't think I've ever done a cookie cutter template from zero. Runner is not defined. So we can move this up and do from IPI list under list import runner. Actually, the runner, I think, does that belong? How would we interact with this as a, because we'd want to also do some, IPython import PyPI list. Then you'd have PyPI list.catalog, PyPI list.runner. Can we get a session in here even maybe? We do a pip install -e. Can we do this yet? Or are we? Okay, we have errors. This might even be in our yep, requirements.txt. I'm gonna copy this guy. Paste. Stir has no. Yeah, I see. I see you. Do that as the path and then read text on the path object. Silly me. Do we have a list? We have a list. Setup.py. fr semicolon dw delete f dot semicolon paste a. Oh, we need a dot. There we go. So if we exit IPython, can we pip install now? We can. We don't have entry points yet, so we can't run anything from the CLI, but we can IPython and import PyPI list. No module name PyPI list. We didn't even give it a name. PyPI list. Is that our problem? What happens when you install something without a name? Can I uninstall it? I don't know. Oh, what happened? Do that. Pip install upgrade pip. Yeah, buddy. More food? What do you want? More milk and cereal? Maybe we can do that. Okay, I'll be down. What's this? You have these chickens. Oh, he loves the chickens. He sent them to KFC. Okay. We do this. How do we IPython import PyPI list module not found. What am I missing? We did the find packages. You know what it might be? Find packages. We don't need to exclude lspy. Need to IPI list.py. Make sure that this is what we want. Yep. rm PyPI list from our root. I might need move PyPI list. PyPI list. I gotta go do some cereal. All right. We're going to the upper position. I'm gonna stand for a bit. Head's getting cut off. Maybe we can go up just another inch here. There we go. So did we? Okay, I'm in IPython. Can I import IPI list? Got it. With a dumb mistake. I'm good with that dumb mistake. I know how to do that. Okay. Do we want to sell CLI or not CLI? I almost think not. I'm trying to go like super basic here. So what if we had one entry points example? I don't know if theirs is going to be a simple example. Entry points. Yeah, console scripts. Okay, this is the kind of thing we need. Right. So our console scripts, we're going to say IPI list is DT double quote PI list dot main main. Okay. Over my chair. Let's do, so we need a pipeline and a catalog. So let's do from PI list and import runner pipeline catalog. Okay. Now it's just a matter of if I do a capital X and BIM. Okay, we're back. LSP should be happy. Okay, so down here, I think we have to pip install again when you change your entry points. I'm just going to do it just to be safe. I think now I have a PI list command. Cannot import runner from PI list. I get that. I get that. Let's go to init. What if we just, we're going to copy this to IPI list. I'm going to go down here, save, close that, write this at, can we do a save as? Done, IPI list Under init. We'll just close, and then we can do a cd pi list mv pi list.py to dunder init.py. I don't think I needed to reinstall. I think I was fine, actually. Pi list. Pipeline is not defined. I got that. I see that. So let's go to nvim. Pipeline is not defined. Dunder init. Pipeline. Yank it. Paste it. Can I pi list? Oh, it's not going to run full. It's going to run just the raw nodes. Boom. Got it. Cool stuff, cool stuff. What if, can we, so I have it also set up so we can do python-m pi list. And that's what the dunder main does. I don't think I care about that though. I think I can simply D9J, go over here, G, paste, D9J, G, paste, DG, main, then we can rm IPI list / dunder main. Save this. Can we still python-m? Because we don't have a dunder main module. I'm okay with that. We can still pi-list. Okay. Setup.py needs changed. Oh, install -e dot. Can we import pi list? We can. So from here, as pl dot. One thing I don't care for here is we get too much. I think for what we're designing, it's okay. It's this more quick and dirty stuff. I would like to. I like a nice tab complete. I like having pi list just show me things I care about. I don't want to see pickle data set and pipeline and sequential runner. I want to see my catalog, my pipeline. But that's okay for what we're doing. Catalog. Can we list it? We can list it. We can load unavailable dot JSON, not dot JSON. Okay. And then we can load available. This one's big, apparently. I think print statements are what's killing me. So let's do temp equals that, temp colon 10, not colon. There. Were those available? Yeah, available. So you can get a PyPI package called Granatum. Yeah. Node. Is this a word? Nodeletteriosis. It's got to be the most ridiculous word. It's like just considered a word and not a. Maybe I guess these are all just their words, and some can be compound words. Kendos. Super close to Kedros. Oh, what'd I do? I think I killed it. I can right click. Respawn. I respawned it. Okay. Are we happy with what we've got? Let's so we have a project. It has does that have a get ignore? Cat dot get ignore. Okay. I usually just grab the Python one, but like from a getignore.io or whoever took that over since then, it forwards still. For some things, I think they include some more like data, things like that in there. So Kedro, stealing your getignore. Control E dot getignore. Okay, V and V was already in here. And VRC. No. Okay. I think we're doing fantastic. We should see, has this thing been running? Let's go to my GitHub. Hold on, I had someone merged a super old PR from me. This wasn't necessarily a joke PR, but it was a, hey, does this pass your CI kind of thing? And I just wanted a test run. That's kind of cool though. So she changed some doc strings. Did I? Okay. I just added the errors, I think. No, let Let's look at files changed. I actually implemented all the errors too. Yeah. So runtime error is now a Kedro session error. That is super cool. Super cool. Anyways, we are somewhat distracted, but I hit and GitHub's like alerting me of recent activity here. Oh man. Nick's playing with some QMK. All right, let's see. Uh, I saw. I think I saw this already. I saw where Lim came in. I even gave him. Did I give him? Yeah, I gave him thumbs up. Okay, we're looking for a repo called pi list. I want to see our production runs because this thing is in production, man. This thing has been chugging every day, chugging right along. Apparently, I had an icon to it 7 days ago. Oh man, we worked on this a while ago. 26 days ago. 26 days ago, we deployed this thing. And it has just been chugging day by day. Can we still pi list.waylandwalker.com? It is live, man. Check this out. So we want to make sure this thing doesn't die in production. So let's go back to our, we don't have the build open still. So again, I need a telescope, hidden files, GitHub, workflows, deploy. What we need to do, we have this script run here. Let's delete that. Pi list pip install. I've had issues with not doing -e on some CI. Don't know why. Don't know why it behaved different. I was burnt by it, so I'm always doing a -e now. Okay. So if we push, this thing is gonna just charge. It's gonna go to deploy a new version instant. So let's make sure we've got our ducks in a row here. I'm gonna use Git UI. WC pull ignores from Kedro. Okay. IPI list moves to init.py. Turn script into module. Ignore this. Let's can we edit capital E? Right, edit capital I. Let's do a. Actually, let's go to gitignore.io. Vim Sublime. I thought they had one. Emacs. Can't leave them out. BS code. Visual Studio Code. PyCharm. See, these are the things I add. We're just gonna grab this whole darn thing. We're gonna go to the end. Paste. Session. Delete. I think we have a Vim. Oh, session.vim is in there. Didn't even know that was the thing. I thought that was something I made up when I did the capital X. Surprised it's not like a star.vim. Okay. Let's close. Add editors to ignore. Add setup.py packaging script. Update. Deploy. Okay. We're going to push this. I think we are ready. Pushing. Actions. Fingers crossed. She's here. She is here. You know what? Oh, we did the setup.py. We did pip install -e. So we changed our install. We changed our the way we run. I really think this is. Come on. What is it? Run. Okay. Got it. We didn't do the full. So quit this. Go up here. Full. Let's use a fugitive GIC. Do full runs in production. There we go. Okay. GP. Whoa. What'd I do? Okay. GPP. Git push. Back here. Go back here. Okay. That one failed. New one is in. No. Refresh you. There we go. Done. 22 seconds. And we get a new. I don't even know where it's at. Not here. Pi PI. We should do a date somewhere. Pi PI. List. There we go. Fingers not typing. Okay. This is hot off the press, folks. Okay, I think I'm sitting in a good spot. Um, we're right at an hour in. I think I'm ready to cookie cutter this thing. I don't know if I want to cookie cutter it today. Let's look at our init. Do we use a logger? Logger is unused. Surprised it doesn't yell at us. Oh, some things I would want to have added to this. Bumped version. Bumped version. We want this. We want this. So we can have a bumped version, or bump version config. Where's our work one? Our work one is in iProject. No. Setup.cfg. Okay. If no bump version CFG exists, we'll also look there. Okay. Got it. So we need to edit a setup.cfg, paste, current version 010, commit tag. We're going to change setup.py and what else? It's pi list slash vendor init pi. So now we need a requirements.dev.txt bump to version save. We are going to go back to setup.py. Now we want optional dependencies, which is always fun to set up, not really. I am going to look at their setup.py. So they have these. I'm going to have to step away for a few minutes. I'll be back. We are back. I gotta wrap it up here shortly, so that I can get back to the real job. What we want to do, though, before we go, we are gonna set up for some requirements dev. Maybe next time we'll come in and do black flake whole 9 yards of that good stuff. For today, let's make sure we get a bump to version like halfway set up. And that'll kind of set the platform for the rest. Where's like extras? Extras require all equals that. Extras require, okay. It's a dictionary key of what you want with a list. Yes, list. Okay. So let's do yank this and do dev requires dev requires no requirements dev save extras require what are we going to do here? We want a dictionary equals dict we want a all colon does all need all of it. I think I can do some unpacking. Star requires star dev requires dev colon dev requires prod colon requires comma save. All right, we are good. Now we can pip install -e quote dot dev. Okay, we should. Do we have a README? Develop pip install -e quote dot dev. Okay, save that. Okay. We don't want this. Environments dev. Now we are going to use requires dev implement requires requirements dot txt. Okay. Next we set up bumped version. Let's set up add instructions for dev requirements. Set up bump to version. Okay, now we have a clean slate. Can we bump to version? Let's do a minor today. Git log. Bumped from 1 to 2. Fantastic. Let's, do we have NeoVim open? Check our innet.py. 2. Setup.py. 2. 2. Okay. Bumped version is magic. Sheer magic. Okay, git push. And we are running in production. Double check. I said it too early. We are running in production. Bump version 1 to 2. Minor 1 to 2. Fantastic. All right. Let's do a readme. To do flake 8 black. Okay. Oh, pre-commit. All the favorite dev tools. Get them in there. I think that's good. I think that's good. I think I'm ready to close it down for the day. Let's do that. Let's close it down for the day. We're gonna go back to the manager. Let's do a Twitch TV here. Let's finish it off with science and tech, programming. Is there anybody? Okay, someone is TK enter Python. Let's go for it. So we're gonna raid Lamola Lola. All right. Have a good day, everyone. Signing out.